nights felt cold, empty place but a heart of gold. Mama praying, daddy working late, trying hard just to change our fate. We didn't have much but we had hope, even when we were hanging on a rope. Through the struggle, through the pain, they stood strong in the pouring rain. I remember every tear they cried, every time they had to sacrifice. Now it's my turn, I won't let go. I'm carrying dreams they'll never know. I keep on pushing, I won't fall down to the struggle. I'll stand my ground, it's not easy, but I believe there's a better life waiting for me. I keep on fighting through the pain, dancing in the pouring rain. One day I'll rise, they will see what they built inside of me. Walking roads with no clear way, still I hustle every day. Got these dreams I can't ignore, I was made for something more. People doubt but I don't mind, I see the vision in my mind. Every step, every scar got me closer to who I are. I can hear my mama say, don't you ever lose your way. Through the dark I'll find my light, I was born to win this fight. I keep on pushing, I won't fall down to the struggle. I'll stand my ground, it's not easy, but I believe there's a better life waiting for me. I keep on fighting through the pain, dancing in the pouring rain. One day I'll rise, they will see what they built inside of me. From nothing to something, I'll make a way. Even if I crawl, I won't stay. Every loss just fuels my fire, lifting me higher and higher. For my family, for my name, I will never be the same. This is deeper than a dream, this is who I'm meant to be. I keep on pushing, I won't fall down. I'll wear my pain just like a crown. It's not easy, but I believe my time is coming, wait and see. I keep on rising.